Yo, man, y'all already know who it is. This your boy 84 Cuddy. Yes, sir. Hey, first ride after the misfire. Y'all see the gear just holding? Don't worry about that right there. Don't worry about that check engine light. Damn, for nothing that got to do with nothing that we working on right now. Alright? But yeah, make sure y'all hit that like button though. But y'all see it. Still ain't put him up yet. But y'all gotta down the window to let all the heat out first. You know what I mean? That's how your AC pump. But make sure y'all hit that like button though. Let's ride to the store right quick, man. We just gonna go for a little ride. Put on y'all seatbelt.
Cause if you got an old school, then you got the old school blues. We just wanna ride, y'all. We just wanna ride, y'all. Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy 84. Back one more again. Hey, how many of y'all out there got an old school and all you wanna do is just ride? It don't matter when you ride. You just wanna ride.
Boy, that joker even shifting different now, bro. Hey, there you go, Sparrow. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all hit that like button, though. We out you. We out you, out you. Well, matter of fact, up my window. Let me up my window, man. You don't let some of the heat out. Yeah, but make sure y'all hit that like button, though. Subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification bell. We out you. Come on now, Honda, get out the way, man. Yeah, man. AC blowing. Windows up. Back outside. Ready to ride. Is you turning? Yeah, I don't have it like that. Joker sideways. Yes, sir. Hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Turn on all post notification bells. We back outside. Yes, sir. We back out you. We bite. We bite. Sparrow pissing. Let me see. I don't know. You ain't being? No, Sparrow, you ain't doing nothing, huh? Damn, you sure is cold, but damn, not to be pissing. I don't know. But hey. Nah, that got me thinking, but that bad boy cool. I don't know. I guess he ain't had to pee today. I don't know. But let's ride. Make sure y'all hit that like button, though. Yeah, Lord. AC blowing, all that type of stuff. See what pop back up. We gonna put it on the scanner when we get back to the house. See, make sure we ain't got no misfire again. Alright. Yeah, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button though. Hey, I don't know why Sparrow ain't pissing though. Cause boy, these windows up. And I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't been gonna have these windows up. They ain't going just for no video. No. Ain't that deep. Know what I mean? But yeah, shit, we can put them up some more. See, that's why I say it's blowing cold in here, man. I don't even be having it high. You know what I mean? You don't even need to be high. That joke up. That joke cool. Yup. It's a long light in it. But yeah, man, make sure y'all hit that like button though, man. Cut y'all back on.
What's up? Man, y'all already know who it is. This your boy 84. Back one more again. Hey, how many of y'all out there done work hard all week? Hey, and all you wanna do is go out and have yourself a good time. Check this out, huh? Hey, well let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. Let's go out tonight, yeah, it's Friday, y'all. And I wanna get drunk, can have a ball. So I asked the old lady if she wanna hit the mall. Cause we gonna spin the bag, then put that shit on. Cause we stepping out tonight, looking just right. Baby, you looking good and shining so bright. Lord. Well, let's go out tonight, I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. Hey, all we wanna do is go out and party. Have ourselves a real good time. Hey, is that alright? You done had a long, hard week at work. You got your moonshine. You got your money.
Get your ass out the way.
You got you something good to smoke.
Hey, the rest of your hair on the top of your head. Alright, y'all, we back to the house and look here. Boy, I tell you, boy. Well, get back to the drawing board. Inject this. Let's get it. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, turn off post notification bells, man. Hey. Guess it's another step I gotta take. But let's get it. Alright. Y'all look at this BS too now. Why he gonna wait till he get home to do that? I guess he ain't gonna use the bathroom in public. Cause damn, I understand. Ain't nobody got time for no ticket. But what have we been showing off? And now you gonna wait till they ain't get home to they ain't use the bathroom? Sheesh. Man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Big Sparrow out here in these streets though. Guess we about to get back to figuring it out. Call pack or fuel injector. Let's get it.